Innova 5610 OBD2 scanner review. Dealer-level diagnostics without subscription fees. Ever fixed a car, cleared the code, and watched the warning light come back on? That frustration isn't about your skills. It's about not having the right diagnostic insight. Basic code readers only tell you what triggered the light, not what's actually failing in real time. You need deeper visibility into ABS, SRS, transmission, and engine data before you waste money on parts. That's where serious diagnostics begin. If you've outgrown guesswork and want clarity, stay with me. Here's what usually happens. A check engine light pops up. You plug in a basic scanner, read a code, replace a sensor, clear it, and hope for the best. Sometimes it works. Often it doesn't. Meanwhile, you're juggling work, family, and a car that still doesn't feel right. Maybe the ABS light flashes randomly. Maybe the transmission shifts rough when warm. Or worse, the airbag warning won't disappear. You start wondering if the dealership is your only option. And that means diagnostic fees, long waits, and vague explanations. The real problem isn't the repair itself. It's the lack of live data and active testing to confirm what's truly failing. Without bidirectional control, you're guessing. And guessing costs time and money. But what if you could test components directly, verify repairs instantly, and see the system respond in real time? That's where things shift. Here's what actually works. The Innova 5610 OBD2 scanner bridges the gap between a simple code reader and a full professional tool. Don't just pick any OBD2 scanner. Make sure it has true bidirectional control so you never experience unnecessary part swapping again. With the 5610, you can command the fuel pump on and off, cycle the AC clutch, retract an electronic parking brake, and run active tests that confirm failures before you touch a wrench. That's power. Now, layer in enhanced live data for ABS, SRS, transmission, and engine systems. You're not just reading codes. You're watching real-time graphs, tracking fuel trims, monitoring temperature shifts, and validating fixes on the spot. Add 6 essential reset functions like oil reset, SAS reset, EPB service, and battery registration, and you eliminate routine dealer visits. Quick check. Would you rather replace 3 parts guessing or test one component with certainty? Free lifetime updates mean no subscription pressure. Pair it with the Repair Solutions 2 app, and you even get verified fixes and maintenance tracking. It feels less like a gadget and more like a professional advantage in your hands. What makes this credible isn't marketing language. It's real-world use. The Innova 5610 OBD2 scanner holds a strong 4.4-star rating across thousands of users who consistently highlight its bidirectional testing and fast connection speed. One auction inspector reported scanning up to 200 vehicles in a single day because it connects faster than larger tablet tools. A DIY owner avoided a $1,200 PCM replacement after using live data to pinpoint a faulty throttle position sensor instead. Industry reviewers describe it as a crossover tool, powerful enough for professional diagnostics, yet simple enough for home garages. Even technicians with high-end shop scanners admit they grab the 5610 for quick triage work because it boots instantly and gets straight to the data. That kind of consistent feedback builds trust naturally. If you're serious about diagnosing instead of guessing, this is the upgrade that changes how you approach every repair. The Innova 5610 OBD2 scanner gives you control, clarity, and confirmation before you spend money on parts. Join thousands of drivers and technicians already using real-time data and active testing to stay ahead of problems. I've dropped my link in the description and pinned it. Just click and see for yourself. Take control of your diagnostics and drive with confidence again.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.